Hi all, Nadine here. I am going to show you today how to do a double crochet stitch. It's very similar to the half double crochet which was covered in the last video. And so as usual, start off with slip knot, and I'm going to chain 10. That should be it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That was it. And then for the very first double crochet, you chain up 3 to get up to the height that you need to get up to. And in the fourth chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, well, of course, first you yarn over, just like in the half double crochet, and put your hook through the loop that's fourth from the hook. Grab it and pull it through. Okay, and at this point, this is where it gets different from the half double crochet. For the half double crochet, you would pull through all 3 loops. But since we're doing a double crochet, we'll pull through 2 loops, and then you got 2 loops left on your hook, and yarn over, and we'll pull through 2 more loops, and then you just have 1 loop. So that was your double crochet. Again, yarn over your hook, put your hook through the next stitch, grab and pull it through. So you have the 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, so you still have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull it through 2 more. Show that again, yarn over, put it through the loop on the chain, grab, pull it through. You got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull it through 2, and pull through 2 more. And that is all there is to it. Now we'll get over to the end, speed this up a little, get it over to the end, and I'll show you how to get up from to the next row. And it's just like when we started there. And your work will probably curl a bit. It all depends on the tension and whatnot. Don't mind it, it'll straighten itself out sooner or later once you get a few rows going on. But we're at the end. So now you need to chain 3 to get up to the next row. So 1, yarn over, pull through, 2, yarn over, pull through, 3. And in the base, so this is the first chain, this is the second chain, this is the third chain, the first one that we made. It's not there, but we need here. That's the top of the last double crochet we made. Yarn over, you grab the hook, grab the yarn, and then you yarn over again. You pull it through 2, yarn over, pull it through 2 more. And that's all. Yarn over, pull through, pull through, pull through. And that's how easy peasy it is. I'll try to do a slow motion one. I kind of automatically speed up when I get into the rhythm. It's just you get into a rhythm of it, and it just speeds along. And just like the half double crochet, you can make a longer starting chain and just move along with this and make a scarf or just about anything. The traditional, your kind of traditional granny square uses this stitch mostly, like if you're going completely traditional kind of thing, uses this, and corner to corner usually uses a double crochet. We'll be going over both of those after we finish the basic stitches, and so look for those videos, and we're all done now. So if you liked the video, please smash the like button, and if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. And I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day. Give me a comment and let me know how you liked the video. If there's, I know I was having some audio problems. I'm not sure if they're still present. So if you could let me know if you hear anything funny, that would be wonderful. And you have an absolutely wonderful day. Bye.